looked that good in a while. Cap is off, and that is fighting weight right there. Yeah. Dude, it's nasty. It is a whole different All right, we got a little... That's just a little like pump shot, you know, if we're talking carburetor speak, but you know, you gotta have that once you launches. This thing is honestly very, very clean though whenever we go ahead and do a really hard pull, so I freaking love it. We took off about maybe 250 pounds at the most to compete with this freaking turd that is about 3,000 pounds lighter. I don't know about you, but if you got a car that is 3,000 pounds lighter and it's making about the same power and you need to resort to nitrous, that's embarrassing. No nitrous. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I admit I'm a diesel noob, okay? I have a lot of experience though, however, tuning other GM stuff, and I have a vast knowledge of that. Diesel's not my thing. I figure it's fun to take on a new project, and you guys learn when I learn, or I learn when you learn. So right now, there was a cop right there, so I had to kind of back down on that. Well, what we're doing is we're doing all sorts of hard shifts to try and help the Trians learn, because we're getting ready to race Cletus. The point is that when I was changing the modes before, I was incorrect. You guys had corrected me, and I am totally open for correction there. And the fact that each different mode that I changed through, it does kind of change the learning parameters in the trans. We're just training this thing to shift really, really hard. That's what we're doing right now. All right, so I wanted to let you guys know that it's not unfamiliar for me to be an underdog. But I'm the budget-minded, you know, I try and do everything as intelligent as I can and look at the whole bigger approach. I have a number of people helping me out, and I'm really so blessed to be able to be surrounded by really good people in this diesel market. And guys, it is not easy to keep up with Cletus. He has a very fine oiled machine, and I am spread way too thin amongst all the different things that I have going on. But thank you guys for having my back. Team Underdog, man. That's what we're gonna be. We're gonna be Team Underdog on a number of different things that we're gonna take on. All right, fellas, it's on. We're off the Showtime Speedway, literally 2 blocks from our shop. It's such an awesome blessing to have those guys there, and that they open their doors up for us to do stupid shenanigans. I mean, that's
makes it convenient.
The stuff that we've been able to do there is freaking awesome.
Way faster without a topper on there. I can feel it already.
Definitively. I didn't think that was gonna happen. All right, so guys, Laz knows from way back. Oftentimes, we've been the underdog. Just Team Underdog. Come on, root for Team Underdog here, all right?
So you're gonna be thrashing on this and then driving it home tonight, right?
That's the plan.
Not like this is just a toy. Kind of like that.
Yeah, this is literally a daily driver, guys. I have to say this. This is my true blue daily driver. I literally drive this every day, tow with it, just nonstop.
Drive out of the state once, twice a month.
Yep. So it is a fantastic towmobile, and now that we got this turbo, a huge thanks to Exergy with the fuel system, and Duramax tuner for the turbo, man. Freaking awesome. And of course, Adam Pila for doing the tuning. Super stoked, man. A giraffe running in its wild habitat. All right, show me this alleged bottle that is out.
All right, come see it. We got the bottle out.
All right. Hard to trust with this guy. Cheats at the pistachio eating contest. Hey, I'm not going to spray you. Oh, sorry. Last time I sprayed you. Yeah, I was a little behind.
We had 2, and we took a bottle out. Now there's just 1. Well, you can feel it. It's close.
Check it. It's off.
It's close.
Feel it.
All right, it's off. That's good enough for me.
So, for the record, guys, no nitrous on the Galaxy today. All right, guys, let's do this. Rematch time.
Oh, we got him.
So do you want to try and have a toss-up for lane choice? Because I know you were test driving on this lane yesterday, and I think you like this lane.
It doesn't matter to me.
Okay.
Honestly, I prefer your lane because my camera works a little better.
Why don't we just alternate every other run? How's that?
Perfect.
I didn't even stage yet.
I asked you if you want to do a burnout, and you said no. And
No, I didn't want to do a burnout.
But I wanted to go pull you forward, and I stopped you first.
Uh,
You're on the concrete. You can't go any more forward.
No, I got that, but I was starting to spool it up, and like, I didn't even, like, I was looking at my boost. I haven't even got it. That was,
How long do you need the spool, guy?
just a second. Just a second. Like, I mean,
Just a second. That was a good second.
No.
I took like 10 steps back.
No, I didn't, I got that far.
Show me what you got to do so I know how long you need. No, so I know how long I need to wait.
Nah, not that.
Okay, so about like 5 seconds.
Maybe.
Okay.
Yeah, buddy. That's a street race. That's how it would be if we lined up in a light. I don't know if you guys have noticed, I really don't talk trash very much, but it is so gratifying when somebody does. You might need that bottle.
Let's back
That
them
thing's
up
got some steam.
and run it back.
If we can't have the bottle, we need the hit. You go and you go.
Well, look.
No,
we can
dude,
make it
we're
four.
fine. We got this.
He's
We
taking
got
this
this.
way
It was
too
a bad.
personal.
James is taking this
we
personally.
don't-
Change lanes, run it back, do the
That's
race.
fair, that's fair. And like I said, I think it's fair that we change lanes.
Absolutely.
That is an ugly lane, you know.
Alright,
It's an ugly lane later, and I mean, you took that last time, which was totally good.
Let's do it.
All right, Laz, you had a unique perspective over there. What did you see from that?
I mean,
did he
from
spin
a
bad,
dig,
or
from a dig, you launched good.
did he spin real bad, or what?
He was like, it was that spinning where you're getting motion.
Kind of like a wheel hop, maybe.
Not so much wheel hop, but it was braking traction, but still accelerating.
Okay, okay. All right, we'll see what he's got
He had
here.
some good steam up top.
Yeah, that definitely was coming on me. Actually, I lifted a little bit on the top, so I didn't want it to look so bad. I lifted a little bit. All right, so let's see how she goes here. All right, we're gonna run it back.
Jared tried to jump that arm drop.
That was a good race right there. He was coming on strong. Woo! That was a good one. That's the race I was after right there, boys. That's good. That's a fair freaking race. That thing's got some steam up top, just like I thought it would. Hey,
I think you got it.
that's what I'm talking about right there, dude. That was a good race.
Sick.
That was awesome.
You had me though.
I had you, but dude, you had mile an hour. You're coming on me hard.
Coming in hot.
Oh, I was like, oh, come on. And
10 feet. Alright, let's run it back.
that was perfect. That's exactly what I thought it was going to be like. Oh, man, all-wheel drive for the win. Woo. I like that junk. All right, guys, I'm a diesel noob, but hey, look, I've been racing for a long time, so look, that was exactly what it's about. We got our all-wheel drive launch done, figured out. Yeah, buddy, give me some of that. That was still like
barely.
yeah, it was an eked out
But you
win
got
right
him though.
there.
You got
It was
him.
an eked out win. Right there.
So
Listen, we're letting you run on full kill. Let us run on full kill.
that or give us something.
Now that we had such a close race.
That was a good race. That was honestly, dude. Honestly, I was like,
That was sick.
I was
I
rooting
love
and hollering.
that. I love
I was
that.
like, oh, it's coming on.
It's so much better when it's like that.
Oh,
Because
yeah.
I'm like, come on.
You're like
know?
in a go-kart trying to like jump up out of the go-kart.
Yeah, versus it being just a freaking slide, you know.
Oh yeah, that was totally what I.
That was way better.
for sure. That's exactly what I thought it would be like. But I mean, as you can see, that thing's got some steam up top. You were coming in strong. This thing's got bottom end and mid range for days.
For days.
But this thing
it's
has got
a
top end.
rocket off the line.
Yeah.
All right, you either gotta give us
We either
the
want.
hit,
All right,
or
so
the
we
nitrous
can see
bottle.
that this one has been a sweep. So I'll give you the nitrous. You want to do that?
Yeah, let's run out on
All right,
nitrous.
do that. I want to see how it does, because I mean you're gonna have to be very judicious on how you feed it to her. I mean, how are you doing? Because I hear a little chirping as you're going, like realistically.
It's been. I'll have to spray it in third.
how did you guys see about the launch? As far as like, I mean, I don't think I'm early. Have I been early?
Oh, I definitely left before you.
Yeah.
The chase is a race. If you go, and if I leave early and you go, then it's a race.
That's bullcrap. That would be like forfeited then. Because I mean, like, look, if you're gonna do that, then
if
it's
we're doing
like,
the street style, chase is a race.
You don't go
Chase
on.
is a race. That's
you
why
don't
the
go
first
on
one.
red.
I mean, I just did. Well,
Yeah, pretty much.
like,
Make sure you crank that bagger all the way open.
all right. Ow! God!
Watch your noggin.
All right. All right, we're gonna give it all the steam right here. Come on. Well, it took nitrous.
Giving him all the little
He
tricks.
actually told me, he goes, I'm leaving on him. I said, do what you got to do, brother.
It took nitrous. I think I spun a little bit more than I should have right there. That was a good race though, man.
I mean, he had you by like a fender.
Yeah. He definitely had me on the top there, but I can't tell if he jumped me though. All right, that's cool. Hey, ugly. Nice try.
Nice try.
Yeah, a best of 3. All right.
You what you want?
Fair.
You definitely
hands down. And I mean, if we're just basically trying to keep the fun going here,
Yeah.
so I think that's fair. I mean, I would have gladly waited till you could have got the tire.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, it couldn't happen in time, so that's
Next time.
That's fine. I think
So-
you're probably going to upgrade probably 2 or 3 times as much as I will at that point, because that's Cletus for you.
All right. Well, I schemed on the last race for sure. So let's try and.
But you scheme on every race.
I'm gonna say,
Use
bro,
a schemer. There's
Nah,
no other way about it.
You jumped too.
You schemed too.
You guys
You
both.
guys left
Hey,
even.
listen,
I have never said a
too.
chase is a race, okay? So
But you're chasing every
ready
time.
for
Dude, you're. I mean, listen. You're out here making us not use the ball. You're taking weight off your truck. We both were doing things. So we got to have a dead straight race. If you jump, you're out. If you cross, you're out. If you BS, you're out. Just full kill. Is that good with you?
no, full kill. I mean, this is what I got, but I mean, it's like
Yeah, run what you brung.
I like
All
how
of it versus all of it. Heads up.
These
no
rules
jump.
have evolved a bit.
They gotta evolve, Jeremy. That's the way of life.
You're over here, stage 9 weight reduction.
Stage 9.
Hold on, we don't even have a headliner. We barely have door panels.
What do we got here?
It's full interior.
Took the paint off.
Dave, that truck is practically Leroy.
Yeah, I know, right?
Yeah, look at
This is Leroy.
Give me a 9/16 and a half inch. I'm gonna take this hood off, these doors off, the deck lid off.
Okay, hold on. To settle this,
The one front tire because it dangles it.
To settle this, I wanted to put a little wager on what we thought that was going to be. So this is going on camera here now. All right, I say you're 4,800 max. All right, I think that you think that you're 6,000. So
No, I think I'm at least 5,200.
Yeah, we're over 5.
Okay, but I mean, like, let's find out.
All right.
So I mean, I know what I weigh, and I mean, I
$50?
took out about 200 pounds. Okay, with the topper and the.
Oh, just cargo.
So
then you
let's-
took out another 200
Let's
pounds
put it
on
at
top.
5,000 pounds.
No. We like no.
You
All
filled
right.
the garbage can.
So listen.
This is nonsense.
Listen, 5,000 pounds over under. I think it's over. You think it's under.
Okay, 50
Is that
bucks.
50 bucks?
50 bucks.
All right, we're gonna scale the Galaxy next week.
Okay, and that needs to be, you know, are you scaling it with, hold on, there's qualifiers here. Are you in it or are you out of it? Because you're
At race
220?
weight with driver.
Yeah, with driver.
Okay, then 5,200 if you're going to be like
Oh,
that.
no, no.
Because
5,100.
Well, with no driver then, just to make it
5,100 with driver.
5,175.
51.
$1.
No.
All right.
We've now
4,900.
We've been reduced to
All right.
$1.
5,000. 5,000 no driver. We'll just
5,000 no dollar. All right, here we go.
no driver. All right. Hop in. Let's do this.
By the way, this is the worst, toughest negotiator in the history.
Listen.
He's, you know,
Went to school for it.
yeah.
Here to
Brutal.
Here to negotiate.
Brutal. Anytime now. one, boys and girls. Duramax prevails. Team underdog. He spun some.
You guys left together.
Yeah.
Oh, you spun the whole way.
Yeah.
Smoking.
I definitely looked and I saw the tire was smoking, so. It's a good run for what it is, and I mean, that's what we wanted.
We got your win.
Yep.
With your cheating. That's all right. Next time.
All three of them.
James, don't be sore there.
Ain't so fun when the rabbit got it done.
Fair and square.
All right, and you got it.
And I'm a giving guy there.
You got it. That was you, Dave.
Dang.
Old Optimus Prime back there.
Well, we had our fun. This is definitely yours. Is there anything else you're gonna do?
Yeah, I'm actually looking at getting injectors next, and I've been kicking around. I don't know if I'm going to do it yet. Methanol injection. I'm a methanol junkie. I've had it on all my junk.
Yeah, you've been doing. He's been doing meth for a while.
I still got my teeth though, so that's pretty good. I love it. We'll see. It's supposed to lower EGTs, maybe make a little bit more boost, and I got a few other little things to do, but I'm really pleased with it. And again, big thanks to Exergy, Duramax tuner, and Adam Peeler.
And thank you to Showtime Speedway.
For sure. To have this kind of playground 2 blocks from us it's ridiculous. You know, it's so much fun.
Great track. We're having a ton of fun down here on the end. We're not even on the prep surface.
Oh, so here, this is the other thing too. When you get a tire, you know, this street racing thing is fun, but I think that we should come out on a Wednesday night and really like do it on a prep surface.
You want to do it on a prep surface? I'm all for it.
Yeah, it would be definitely more favorable to you guys. It's hard to keep up with Cletus and the mods he's gonna do. So it's like
I'm not doing anything crazy.
You're like, oh, putting another turbo
literally
on.
Gonna put a tire on it. I'm putting a tire on it, and that's it. So.
And another 7 degrees of
Wait a
time.
minute, hold on. I thought you were happy with Leroy winning at 980s.
That's true.
Well, guys, this was fun. Thank you very much.
Yep.
Thanks for all the guys supporting Showtime Speedway. Awesome. God bless you guys. We'll see you next time. All right, team. Guys, lots of hard work. George, hard work. Man, that felt great. Unfortunately, I think the transmission is probably going to be one of those things that is happening sooner rather than later. Boy, oh boy, at the top end here, this thing was just like, it's kind of like Tasmanian devil. This is actually a couple years back. We had done these heads for Pila Motorsports. Shortly thereafter, I got my truck tuned there. We ported them very, very aggressively. The stock ports are very, very small, kind of pathetic, really. But we ported them so aggressively, so much that when they started to lean on it with about 80 pounds of boost or so, this thing kind of, a little bit of water jacket kind of started spewing out. And they had to dump those heads. Unfortunate, expensive lesson, but hopefully we might end up someday with a set of ported heads on our Duramax. It'll definitely flow a lot more with a lot less restriction, a lot less pumping losses. Huge efficiency gains.